Hello my friends and hello everyone. My name is Samsul Sulaiman Purba. I am from Diponegoro University and my student number is 110012414076 and 2. Today I will make a mid English assessment about the most challenging part of learning English. In my opinion, the most challenging part of learning English is mastering pronunciation and intonation. English pronunciation can be quite tricky because it has many unique sounds don't exist in other language. For example, the T and H sound in words like thing, and this is difficult for many learners because it requires placing the thoughts between the teeth, which is not common in other language. When I was learning English, I often found myself mispronouncing words or reciting because I wasn't sure how to say them correctly. This sometimes made me feel frustrated or embarrassed, especially when a native speaker didn't understand me. Another difficult aspect in intonation, which is the way pitch of the voice rises and falls when we speak. Intonation can completely change the meaning of a sentence. For example, the sentence "you are coming" can be a statement or a question depending on the tone used. When I was practicing speaking, I realized that even if my grammar and vocabulary were correct, my message could be misunderstood if my intonation was wrong. This subtly makes English speaking more complex and challenging. Besides pronunciation and intonation, English spelling and grammar rules can also be confusing. There are many exceptions to the rules, and some words are spelled very differently from how they sound. For example, the word chalk doesn't sound like it looks at all. When I was studying English, I often had to memorize many irregular verbs and exceptions, which took a lot of time and effort. Okay, next, number 2 is my experience learning and speaking English. When I was in high school, my English lesson mainly focused on reading and writing. We learned grammar rules, vocabulary, and how to write essays. I enjoy reading English stories and learning new words, but I rarely had the chance to mix English in class. Before I start practicing speaking regularly, I felt very shy and afraid of making mistakes. I worried that if I spoke incorrectly, people would laugh or think I wasn't smart. Because of this fear, I often stay quiet during English lesson and miss opportunity to improve my speaking skills. After I graduated from high school, I decided to improve my English by joining an English conversation club. This was a turning point for me. The club was a friendly place where people help each other practice speaking without judgment. We talked about many interesting topics such as travel, culture, and daily life. After I joined the club, I started to feel more confident. I realized that making mistakes was a natural part of learning and that everyone was there to support each other. Now, after several years of practice, I feel much more comfortable speaking English. I can hold conversation with native speakers and understand different accents better. However, I know that learning language is a lifelong journey, and I still want to improve my vocabulary and pronunciation. Thank you.